Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all posts on Facebook. So first launch your Facebook app on your mobile device and you have to open your profile, and we could see, and beside the edit profile there's a three dot icon. Tap on that. And from the profile settings we could see there's an activity log over here. Tap on that as well. And we just landed to the activity log, and on the top that is public post, you simply have to tap on that, and you have to tap on your activity across Facebook and select it, and select your post, check-ins, photos and videos. And you can simply tap on the small box which is on the top left corner, that is all, and here we could see, and tap on the trash which is on the bottom and move to trash. And this is how you can delete all posts on Facebook. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.